Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of our Instagram highlights not loading. So for that you need to open up your profile, and after that click on the three lines on the top right, then go to your settings, and in your settings click on account. After that click on browser settings, and here you will be able to see this option of clear right beside browsing data option. Just click on it and clear your browsing data, and after that you need to open up your phone settings, and in your phone settings just search for reset, and here you will be able to find this option of reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Just click on it and then click on reset settings, and it will reset all your network settings. And after that you need to open up your phone settings again, and then just go back and open up your app settings, and in there you will find this option of manage apps. Just click on it, and after that just search for Instagram over here, and after that just open up your Instagram and click on storage, then click on clear data, and after that just restart your Instagram and your problem will get solved. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.